the snake nerves last long after it's dead. That's where the nerves like could kind of calm down and shit, and then whenever put on there, they just kick right back up.
Yeah. Science.
That's fucking brutal looking right there, dude. That's crazy as shit.
Show this to your sister or your mom.
Hey, we didn't get a picture of the length of it.
Reach right on in that fucking ant pile.
And do it. Nah, it was like 5 feet. All stretched out. Not quite, like probably an inch
4
or 2
3/4.
short.
It was a big one.
Yeah, it was pretty big.
I think that's enough.
Hey,
We will. We'll catch him too.
maybe you should have the critter patrol come out.
The fire department will come out right now.
Should I call the fire department?
No.
Michael. Okay, you get down and I'll tell you where the snake is. Because he's moving.
Like
He is.
I'm blinded from the bees. I can see the snake.
He's coming towards you. Slowly.
Wow, imagine that. The paramedics come. Bee stings and snake bites.
Hey, can you get the... Oh, he's moving!
Oh, Michael, he's moving.
The bees are all over and they're attacking him. Watch out, he just coiled.
He's pissed, huh?
Yeah.
And I think you should stay up there and watch it.
Can you get that video?
So we can get...
Is the video getting that?
The video is right on the
How
snake.
big is the hive, Mike?
It's big.
Is it bigger?
It's a
It's
different
the
shape.
same but long. But there's definitely more bees on it. That's
There's
for sure.
definitely more bees on it.
That sucker can move. I'm telling you, he'll come right at you.
Michael,
you
he
need
will.
You need a hoe. You should have took the hoe.
Hang on. How do you zoom in on him?
On the top, the little knob, the lever, the lever, like that goes back and forth with your finger.
That's cool.
Is he on tape?
Yeah.
Oh my God, he is huge.
He's pissed too.
He's pissed. All right, we need to call critter control.
No, don't bother.
Yes, yes.
Get Pop and Nan and Pop out here.
All right, well you stay right there.
I'm going to call him.
No, just call Mommy.
No. Oh, call Nan and
Not
Papa?
Frank. Don't tell Frank to come out. He's too
Oh,
slow.
no. Frank's got to come in.
Frank's all over this. That's
Frank will walk over there and bite the head off that.
No, no, no.
That's the biggest rattlesnake I've seen. I'm catching that thing and killing it.
Well, you can't get close to it, Michael. How are
Hey,
you
you
gonna
guys
catch
got
it?
to come in the backyard right
Michael,
now.
you can't. Stay over here.
Oh, I'm not
'Cause
gonna go near him.
Stay over here on the concrete.
Eddie.
He's coming out right now.
Eddie, that's the biggest rattlesnake I've seen here.
That was like the one Frank.
Oh, he's moving! He's moving!
He is moving. I can see him.
No, I'm very
Mommy
scared.
and Frank, you're gonna get out here and you're gonna be an idiot.
Look at that rattle on him. It's like black.
That's the biggest snake I've ever seen.
But there might be another one there because it could be a nest.
What about the bees? They're doing nothing now. Huh?
No, they're just chilling.
Look, they're on that comb. over
Mommy,
there.
you can't see him from there, and I don't think you should get any closer. There's a see that big poof of
The
stuff
biggest
right there?
rattlesnake I've ever seen, Frank.
Don't get near. No, he's moving this way. See,
Look,
his head is right
his
there.
head
You
is
see?
towards
Wait,
the thing. His
don't
tongue
move
is
any
out.
further, Frank.
See,
Okay.
He's very hard to
He's
see.
very hard to see. Frank, don't go any further.
We got it.
No,
we
please.
got all this on video.
He's huge, dude.
He's huge, and
ridiculous.
he's ready to strike.
And he's
pissed.
covered in
the
bees.
bees are all over him.
Did
When
you
I
see him
saw
coiling
the-
back?
Hey, you guys.
You see
When I saw the snake, I leapt
Oh,
up here on
look
the
at him.
roof.
Do you see him coiling back? The bees are all over him. Do you see him? Right on. The black and white of his tail
Hear
is
that
right there.
thing? No, Michahl, don't throw it. Frank, please don't get closer, please.
Tom,
Oh, I
don't.
see you, I see you.
Okay, go back
See his
inside.
tail
I
back
see
there?
his tail, yeah, right there.
See, just hit him?
Yeah.
Please go back inside.
He's huge.
Please go back
Is
inside.
there?
Please, Frank.
his tail, black
Please,
and
Frank.
white there?
Yeah, that's the biggest
Oh my
rattlesnake
God, look at the bee. Holy
I've ever seen.
shit.
Ed got so scared he jumped on him.
Now, when did you see? Oh, oh, Ed. Oh my God, it would have been in the shed again.
Oh my God, yeah, he's a big one.
Michael,
You take a picture, Ed?
There's a video, Tony.
Where?
Mike,
It's running right now.
What are you doing up there?
Frank, stop moving.
Come on, honey, you ain't bother me.
Stop being like that.
Well,
He's
that's